What's up you guys, Gio here, welcome back to the channel. So before we start this video, I just wanted to share with you guys a quick unboxing of this package from Adidas Philippines. So here we got the Yeezy 350 V2 Zebras. It retailed for 11,495 pesos. I got this through Adidas online. So here's the pair. So we were fortunate enough to get two pairs actually. And I'll unbox this for you guys as well. But actually, this is the third time that the Yeezy 350 V2 Zebras are releasing, so the prices on them are very low na ngayon. Siguro market value niya is around 15k to 16k, around that price. And it's funny to think na nung first release niya ever, pairs were going for around 100,000 pesos. Crazy. And ngayon, after 2 years, prices are only 15,000. After that, I just wanted to share with you guys an unboxing from the Lazada 11/11 sale. We were able to get Apple AirPods for only 6,000 pesos. So ayun, let's get into the vlog. So now we're on the way to Urban Affair 2. Urban Affair 2 is like a mini sneakercon over at Ronac Art Center. Merong pop-up store yung Rift LA, which is a famous reseller over in the US. And there's a lot of sneaker vendors, art displays, and we didn't want to make a simple vlog for you guys na we'll show B-rolls and what's to be seen. Actually, we have a challenge. We got this idea from Blazendary. If you didn't know him, he has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And we're about to do the trading up challenge. So here we have 5 Supreme box logo stickers. So we'll try to trade these stickers into something else na has more value. So let's go. Hey, hello sir.
What's up? We're selling shirts. If you buy a shirt, you get to join the raffle to get to win this at 8 o'clock tonight.
One 164-514. 164-514. 30 seconds. Okay, may nanalo. Thank you. Galing Shaga. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Matutog muna tayo ha, mamaya ulit. At saka may crepe. Galing kay Boss Bill. Bill, thank you, Crepe Protect. Sponsor namin. Okay, mag-party na tayo. Magsabutot na.
So we just got back from Urban Affair 2, and as you can see, we weren't successful with our trading up challenge. But Bianca was able to trade up 3 Supreme box logo stickers.
To this sticker, I've been eyeing for a very long time now.
Actually, I've had that sticker before, pero when she saw it, it was already sold. But don't be sad, because we're planning to give away
5 Supreme box logo stickers
to 5 of you guys. All you have to do is subscribe down below, follow us on Instagram at Gio Santa Maria,
and at Bianca Vet,
and comment down below with your Instagram handle. And we'll choose the winners on our next video.
Join, guys. So
So to close out this video, we just wanted to share with you guys our pickups.
His pickups. From Riff LA.
We're able to get a Supreme box logo hoodie for only 40,000 pesos. It might sound crazy that it's 40,000 pesos, pero if you actually check, the market value on this hoodie is actually $3,000. And if you check StockX, the prices are around $1,500. So if you ask me,
it's a good deal.
It's actually a good deal. And we also got Riff Manila pop-up t-shirts for souvenir, since 4 weeks lang yung pop-up nila over at Ronac Art Center. And we were able to get this t-shirt as well.
Another design, which I really like the back part. And the material is actually very good too.
So there you guys have it.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog.
Peace.